What's up guys, welcome back to the Brain Squad, and today we're doing some Nerf gun tests. Hi guys, so we're back. I'm Jamie, I'm Alex's cousin. So we're going to be doing some Nerf, we're going to be shooting at that thing there, so who's the most powerful and fastest. So let's get right to it. Okay, so the first gun is this water gun. It's a Nerf water gun, if you can see right there, so Nerf gun. So let's try. So it shoots pretty high. Doesn't shoot it over, but let's try one more time. Doesn't have the most accurate because you shake like that when you try to shoot because it's hard. Okay, that's the first one. Okay, the second one is like this. It's not a Nerf gun, it's like one of the guns. It has 12 shooters and you can go like this, all of that rubbish. And I think you put discs in here that shoots from up here. So let's try. I think it's going to be powerful. Ooh. Okay, it's not that powerful. Jeez. Okay, up the next gun is this. It's a Nerf gun, but it's a normal Nerf gun. Let's try it. What the hell? Okay, next gun is the Elite Nerf gun. This is a brand new gun. Let's try. What? Where's the other bullet? Oh, there. Okay, let's go. Okay, that's pretty powerful. This thing is killing me. Okay, we're gonna get back right now. So see you right now. 3. So guys, now we have to hit that little bucket. Please. Okay, so let's try hit it. Before the dog gets killed, let's just move him. Okay, there. So, let's start off with the water flint here. It's a starting position. Oh my god, flint! What's it mean? That was a bad choice to start. Yeah. Piss off. Was that good, Jamie? No, you never hit the bucket. So you never knew how much power it was. Okay, next one, we are hitting the bucket with the normal gun. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's go. Please don't hit me. Okay. What the hell? Do you even shoot? Where's the bullet? Nothing's coming out. Yes, there's a bullet. What? Okay, I guess this gun isn't working properly, I guess. Okay, could you suck at the guns? Let me do it. No. Okay, next gun. He suggested to do the sniping. Okay. Please don't shoot. That one hurts me. Jeez, I went down there. Get lower, Alex. Okay, for the final gun, the normal Nerf gun. Just before Alex used the Elite Nerf gun. Streaker! Flinty, come here. Oh my god, that's so weak, that gun. Please don't hurt me. Oh no, it's stuck in here. Close my eyes. Okay, so guys, I think that's gonna wrap it up for this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.